Razor out of here. Oh my God, I'm
The worm. Okay.
Okay. Hold it from here.
There you go.
Okay. Alright. Okay, here's Sunny. And we're at Gordon.
You see me?
And it is Thursday. You're dark. You look like you're
You're in
back.
California, you're in Cali.
Okay, there he goes.
Alright.
He's eating the worm and drinking the tequila, and he's going to get all flipped up.
Alright.
Okay. There we go. Let me see if I come over this. Ooh, the worm's glowing in the dark and shit.
Alright.
It's so dark. Why isn't it like light?
Can't see me?
I can see you, but it's very dark.
Alright. Well, drinking the worm.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, he's gonna throw it up. Oh God, that's so gross. How you feeling?
I don't remember to taste it.
Oh, it's like poltergeist. It's gonna start coming out of his throat in about 2 seconds. How do you feel now, honey?
Feel like a man.
And there you have it. Sunny eating a worm on Thursday, 13th, at Gordon. And I am the
Hostess.
hostess. What's the
Hostess
mostest?
with the mostest. Good night, people.